Imagine that. An introduction to the secret life of action cams. The GoPro and DJI under one playlist. I hope you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the show of my adventures that have come. So let's get on with the show and get on out of here. I'll see you all later on videos to come. So what can have in store for you with the secret life of action cams? Vacations, comparisons, places I go to, and all that good stuff, right? Oh yeah. So I hope you all again could join me on my adventures. It's gonna snow. What's the best time to do this at? Oh yeah, you got it. I'll see you all soon. I gotta get out of here. I'm not sure if I could do it. Woohoo! See ya!